Hello folks, this is Untitled from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to talk about the Oppo A1K. So guys, let's first start off with an unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the Oppo A1K, and inside what you get, the first thing is the smartphone. You get the TPU cover, documentation, warranty card, and this smartphone would be available in black as well as red colors. You also get the 5-volt 2 ampere charger on the inside along with the micro USB cable. Sadly, there are no earphones on the inside. This smartphone weighs around 170 grams, has a metallic finish on the back, polycarbonate edges. At the back there's a single camera sensor. On the left hand side there's the volume rocker along with the SIM tray slot, which has a dedicated micro SD card slot. And overall the build and design felt pretty solid to hold. At the bottom there's the micro USB port, 3.5mm jack, the speaker grill along with the microphone holes, and at the back there's the Oppo branding, quite minimal branding at the back, not a lot of stuff written on the back, and the smartphone does feel pretty solid to hold, and it's just 8.4mm thin. If we talk about the display, it's a 6.1 inch HD plus display, 19.5:9 with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and there's no fingerprint sensor on the smartphone, one of the major cons for this one. Power button on the right hand side, and overall build and finish did feel okay. It's still using micro USB, and if we talk about few other things, on the inside it comes with a Helio P22 chipset, not really the most powerful in class. And if we talk about few other things, there's 2 GB of LPDDR3 RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. It does not skimp on any of the sensors, so that's something good, that almost all of the sensors required are present on this one. The experience is ColorOS 6 based on Android 9 Pie. You can remove the bloatware applications which are pre-installed. That's a positive point, but apart from that, nothing too great to write home about, and the ColorOS 6 experience was pretty smooth on the smartphone. If we talk about the benchmark performance, it was okay at best, not really too powerful, and the Helio P22 is okay for getting your basic tasks done, productivity, etc. The read-write storage speed was okay, it was not bad at all considering the fact that this is a budget smartphone. You can play something like PUBG on low settings, not really high settings. There's not even an option for high frame rate over here, so that's something which might piss off a few people, but I did play PUBG on this smartphone for quite some time and the experience was definitely enjoyable. Something like GTA San Andreas also runs on high settings, but there is some amount of noticeable lag while playing that. Now if we talk about the camera module, it comes with the 8-megapixel f2.2 1.4 micrometer camera at the back, 5-megapixel selfie f2.0 1.12 micrometer camera on the front. The images were okay, and I felt that the selfies were pretty good considering the fact that it's a sub 10k INR smartphone. The camera is average at best. There are some other better options under 10k INR which perform slightly better than this one. 1080p videos were possible on this camera, and I felt that the exposure control on the videos taken could have been definitely better. This smartphone would retail for a price of around sub 10,000 rupees, which is most probably around 8,999 rupees. And for such a price, this smartphone does not pack in a lot of stuff. There is no Bluetooth 5.0, there is only Bluetooth 4.2, and it does support fast charging. There are few issues here and there on the smartphone. It has dual band Wi-Fi, I guess one of the few phones under that price range, has fast face unlock, has USB OTG, and it does have a 4000 mAh battery which really lasts you throughout the day, but then it does have its own cons and shortcomings as well. The performance isn't really that great considering a lot of other factors, and that leaves something to be desired. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.